right, guys, we've got our Mohawk Bend Buffalo Cauliflower wings right here. First impressions, the size of the cauliflower. I thought it was chicken wings when they first brought them out. I like the choice to have the blue cheese kind of laid out here. The presentation's a little elegant here, I feel a little fancy. Already I can smell the buffalo sauce. It smells just like the real deal. It's sprinkled with chives, comes with the celery on the side. We got the whole deal. There's even like a little grease from the buffalo sauce, kind of, again, lend itself to that authentic chicken sort of texture and flavor. They look a little bit like chicken wings to me. Do they taste like them? Only one way to find out. These right here, these Buffalo Cauliflower wings from Mohawk Bend are fire. I liked the Buffalo Cauliflower wings I had before. These ones blow them out of the water, I gotta be honest. I was told when I got here that Mohawk Bend actually invented the Buffalo Cauliflower wing. It tastes like it, let me tell you. They know how to do it right. There's a nice crispiness to the outside that feels like the breading of a chicken wing. The sauce is the perfect heat for me. It's tasty, it's got that kick to it. It's not too high where it's burning my mouth. I'm forgetting this is vegan blue cheese. I like it better than regular blue cheese. I'm normally not even a blue cheese guy, but this one's nice, a little bit of tanginess to it. Goes well with the buffalo sauce. The texture of the cauliflower was the big thing for me that I was worried about going into it, but that crispy kind of breaded outside hits different. The fried outside of it contrasts the kind of mushy cauliflower well to give me a feel like you could fool me that I'm eating a chicken wing. And the flavors going on are out of this world. The blue cheese is crazy. The buffalo sauce they use, I'm gonna have to get the recipe. Mohawk Bend are the professionals when it comes to buffalo cauliflower. Let me tell you right now. If my vegan buddy shows up to the tailgate with some Mohawk Bend buffalo cauliflower wings, guess what? They're staying because these are delicious. You're welcome at my tailgate any day bringing these wings through. That wraps up another episode of Going Vegan with Rachid. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and tune in again next week for another episode. Thanks again, guys.